all are know that we all are facing the problems related to the parking near to the mall and the other social places. So here we have the solution for this. So our group has made this project in which whose name is the smart IoT based parking system, by using the Node MCU ESP8266. So let's take a deep look into it and see the components which is required for to make this project. So here we have the 4 channel IR sensor. Out of the 4 channel we are using only the 2. So these are the 2 IR sensors, and here we have the 2 servo motors. So this is the SG90 servo motors. These are the 2 servo motors which act as an entry gate. This is basically the entry gate, and this is the exit gate of our project. So these are the 3 slots which these are the 3 slots which are connected with the 3 IR sensors. So here we are using the 3 IR sensor as well, and this is the Node MCU ESP8266. So let's see how it works. So here you can see that, and also we have made one app. So this is our app actually. This is our app. Here you can see that this is our app actually. Now it is showing the car part is 0. So let's see how it works. Okay, let's see how it works. So now you can see that now IR sensor detect that the car is in the car, and now we entered into the system. Now we are entering into the system. So this is how. Now we are moving towards the slot. So this is slot 1. Now it is slot 1 is filled. Let's see what app shows. So what app showing, here you can see entry time entry time slot 1, entry time slot 1, and the car parked is 1. You can see the car parked is 1. Then then again go back to the project, and now I am taking the exit from the slot 1. So this is now how I am taking the exit. So now I'm moving towards the exit gate. So these IR sensor also same as that of the first IR sensor. It detects the car, and then it send the signal to the Node MCU ESP8266, and similar to this one, the servo motor which act as a gate, this will open. So here you can see. Now the gate is open, you can see that. And let's go to check the status of our app. So it is showing that the number of car parked, you can see that the car parked is now 0 because no car is parked in the and let's see the exit time of our car from the slot 1. So this is the exit time of our car, which is the 18:08 means. So how this is how our system actually works, and similar to that we can do the same thing for the slot 2 and slot 3. let's uh, let's let's do that. So you can see now again the gate is open. Now we are now entering inside. So here this is how. Now I'm going towards slot 2. Now the slot 2 is parked with the car. So here you can again see number of car parked in a system is 1 because only one car is parked in the slot 2. And let's go to the slot 2 entry time. So this is how the slot 2 entry time looks. You can see the entry time slot 2 18:09. So this is the entry time, and now I am taking the exit from the slot 2. So now again I am going towards exit gate. Now the exit gate opens. Okay, now I take the exit. Similarly, we can do the for third slot as well. Let's do within a short period of time. And before going to towards the third slot, let's see the exit time of slot 2. So this is the exit time of the slot 2, and the current status of car parked is 0 because the car is not parked. Let's do the same thing for slot 3. You can see now the gate is open again. Now we are entering inside now, but in this case I am going towards slot 3. Now the slot 3 is on. Again go to check the status of our app. So you can see the car parked is 1, and let's go to the slot 3. So it is showing now 1811 entry time slot 3 1811. Then let's move towards the exit gate. Now I'm moving towards the exit gate. You can see that now the exit gate will open. Now exit gate is open now. So let's again go to check the status. So this time we will get the exit time slot 3. Exit time slot 3 is 1811. Now the current status of car parked is 0. So this is how our project works, and the future scope of this is that we can use in a major scale in our college or any of the parking areas. And we can also connect one arm here, which act as a charging station for so many cars. So this is our future, this is our future plan, and you can use in a future as well. So this is how our project work. Thank you everyone. So this is me, Shivam Mishra, and my group members are Vedant Mishra and Rajas Khandvekar. Thank you so much.